I want to introduce you to a good friend of mine, Jack from the UK. He took the first step in 2-second lean, and the first one was pretty humorous. Jack wanted to find a better way to mow his lawn. Yeah, what the heck? Why not experiment? Because really all lean is experimenting and seeing what works and what doesn't work. And at the same time, having a little bit of fun. And as a witty, lighthearted Brit, Jack knows how to have fun. But Jack's also a very serious manufacturer as well. And he also applied 2-second lean to his factory. And wait until you see how cool his new kitchen and bathroom area look.
Hi Paul, just thought I'd let you know our bathroom and kitchen refit is complete. So I've copied a few of your designs here. So I see that on your fast cut videos, works very well. Call these Kaizen curves here, staff lockers. And then this, you may recognise, I borrowed that when your early videos. It works very well, 8-step process on our cleaning. And then we have everyone takes their turn on a Friday. They put theirs to the back. So it goes round and round. So everyone here gets to look after it for a week. We've got a nice mop and everything's got a home, clean and tidy. Cleaning supplies, all Kanban cards. Brand new clean toilet, automatic lights everywhere. Spare roll. Working out great, it's fantastic. Clean and tidy, and everyone's kept it that way. Everything is fantastic, and yeah, so thanks to you for inspiring me, and yeah, my lean journey is going very well. Oh, we've got this as well to remind everyone. So now I've finished in here. I'm told everyone this is the standard we want across the whole work, and we're about to start building the new building for the laser that I said we're getting. I'll quickly show you. So here's the base ready for the slab. So it's getting an 8-inch thick, and it's going to be polished concrete. Can't wait. So the building's going to be 60 foot by 90. We're going to have a big organised. So we're going to move all the production into that one, and then the paint shop is going to be there, and then finishing is our one that's over there. And yeah, so it's all exciting here.
Jack, you're amazing. Congratulations on the first steps on your 2-second lean journey. You're doing awesome, and I know you're going to set the world on fire.